Guilty on all counts, Fernando and Sophia Richter have been found guilty of kidnapping and abusing Sophia's 3 daughters.
We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Fernando and Richter, guilty of kidnapping.
That was just one of the 14 counts against the couple, and the jury found them guilty on all 14. 9 on your side's Christina Myers joins us live from the Pima County Courthouse with a breakdown of the verdicts.
Just over 2 days of deliberations, and the jury has returned guilty verdicts on all 14 counts against the Richters. Of those, 6 against Sophia and 8 against Fernando.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. I understand from speaking with Max that you folks have reached verdicts on these matters. Is that a fair statement?
Yes.
The court clerk read each verdict one by one. First, the counts against Fernando, 3 for kidnapping, 3 for child abuse. That's 1 for each of the young girls.
We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Fernando and Richter, guilty of kidnapping. Guilty of kidnapping. Guilty of kidnapping. We, the jury, do find the defendant, Fernando and Richter, guilty of child abuse, death or serious physical injury not likely. Guilty of child abuse. Guilty of child abuse.
Fernando also had 2 additional charges of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon for threatening the youngest and middle girls with a knife the night of their escape. And then the counts against Sophia Richter, the mother, breaking down as the verdicts were read for 3 counts of kidnapping and 3 for child abuse.
We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Sophia and Richter, guilty of kidnapping. Guilty of kidnapping. Guilty of kidnapping. We, the jury, do find the defendant, Sophia and Richter, guilty of child abuse, death or serious physical injury not likely. Guilty of child abuse. Guilty of child abuse.
And the jury also determined this afternoon that each of those 14 counts involved aggravated circumstance, which includes things such as causing physical or emotional harm to the girls and the defendants being in a position of trust to the children. Now, that determination that aggravated circumstances were involved will come into play in the sentencing, and that sentencing has now been set for February 16th. We're live from Superior Court. Christina Myers, KGUN-9 on your side.